Because of the nature of my work, there's this one question that I always get from my friends and family, and that is, tell us about some apps that are very useful for Android. And to be frank, there's no simple answer to this question because the app that I might find useful might not be useful or helpful to you. But after getting this question n number of times, I decided to compile a list of apps that are useful for everyday usage scenario. And in this video, we are going to talk about the top 15 of those apps. And just to make things clear, in this video, the list is not about the usual apps like Evernote or Google Drive or even a Google Translator, because let's face the fact, we all know about it. So let's talk about some lesser known apps but are very helpful for everyday usage. What are we waiting for? This is Ashish from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Solid File Explorer, the first app in the list, is a must-have on all the Android devices as a file manager. It manages to do so much more than just transferring files from one folder to another. The app is based on material design and supports FTP, SFTP, and other various protocols, along with cloud storage support for Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and much more. Root access makes it a fully functional root explorer, and index file searching gives you your search result in a couple of seconds. The app also has the ability to read and extract zip, RAR, and TAR files, even when they are encrypted. It comes with a 14-day trial period, after which you need to purchase the Pro version, which I strongly feel you must buy after checking out its features. Need to transfer files, videos, photos to another Android, iPhone, or even Windows mobile at a higher speed? Then this is another app that you should install. ShareIt creates a local Wi-Fi network, and by creating a hotspot on the sender's phone, the receiving phone also needs to have the app installed. The speed is so much better than what you get on Bluetooth and works on almost all the major OS for smartphones these days. You can also use the app to transfer files from PC to phone or vice versa. It's very easy to establish a connection, and there is no Wi-Fi network to connect to. The apps create one from connecting phone, and then you can just transfer your files seamlessly from one device to another, which includes photos, videos, and even apps. The third app in the list is Universal Copy, and it can help you to copy any unselectable text to clipboard and then paste it to the destination app. You just need to activate the app and tap on the notification icon when there's an app you wish to select text from. The app works on OCR technology, that is optical character recognition, and it will recognize the text from the screenshot taken and then copy it to the device's clipboard. We have already done a detailed review of the app, and you might want to check it out by clicking on the card that you see on the top right hand side. Android notifications are so poorly managed, and once you clear them or tap to open them, they are gone, and getting them back is quite a task. However, with Boomerang notifications, the app at number 4, you can save individual notifications for later and optionally set a reminder for a more convenient time to read them. This can be useful when you receive a text or email you have to reply to, but at the moment you don't have the time to get that done. Just add the notification to view later, and the app will remind you at the appropriate time to take care of it. Smart Tool is one of its kind app on the Play Store, which is a complete package of 6 app sets. It includes 6 Pro set of total of 15 tools. You can use your phone as a ruler, leveler, compass, sound meter, and much more. The readings of the ruler and a distance calculator might not be accurate as it uses the camera, but still you'll get a rough idea. The app is $2.99 on Play Store and works without any internet connection, which is, from what I believe, a perfect companion for all your DIY tasks at home. At number 6, we have Cam Scanner that utilizes the powerful camera of your device and a great image processing software to help you scan your documents right from your camera in detailed quality. The app can be used to scan receipts, notes, invoices, whiteboard discussions, business cards, certificates, and so much more, and the processed photos will be sharp and detailed. These scanned documents can easily be shared as PDF or JPEG files via email or cloud shared links. Premium users can also extract text from the scanned pages using the OCR technique. MacroDroid at number 7 is for advanced users who love to get things automated on their device but hate Tasker app because of its complex interface. Adding a macro is an easy task on this app. Just select a trigger and then configure trigger specific settings. Optionally, you can add a few constraints as well for the task. The best thing about MacroDroid is that there are more than hundreds of pre-configured templates that you can use to automate tasks on your Android. The free version of the MacroDroid is limited to 5 macros and it displays AdWords. You can upgrade to the premium application to allow unlimited macros and remove all ads at the same time. There are quite a few apps available to lock apps on Android, but features to lock apps with the fingerprint sensor is the reason CM lock and fingerprint lock makes it to the list. Using this app, you can lock any other app along with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and use your fingerprint hardware on a Samsung phone or any other Android device running on Android Marshmallow. The app is ad-free, which makes it even more preferable than other similar apps, and the theme support gives you the power of customization. At number 9, we have Maps.me. Now it's an offline app that not only downloads the map data for any given area on Wi-Fi to be able to access offline, but also downloads the navigation data, which is so much important at times. This helps a person to navigate even without a cellular data connection, which can be really helpful at times. The app also gives info about local shops, ATMs, gas stations, which can help you survive on a holiday without an internet connection. All you need to do is download the map data on your Wi-Fi network before you leave from home. At number 10, Dumpster has become my recent favorite, and to explain the app in the easiest possible way, all I can say is that it's like a recycle bin for Android. After the app is installed, each time you delete a file, image or a video, it will be stored in the dumpster for a few days before it gets deleted automatically. This way, you can have a failsafe for all your files on your Android and can be very helpful if you realize that you have deleted any file by mistake, and restoring back would be of a huge help to you. Up next, we have the app called KinScreen. This app is great for readers who constantly struggle to keep the Android screen awake by using their thumb or extending the screen timeout period. KinScreen is a simple app which records orientation or movement of the device and keeps the screen awake even without your interaction with the screen. There are a few additional options in the app to check out, and we have already done a detailed review of the same, which you can check out by clicking on the card that you see on the top right hand side. Link Browser at number 12 is a useful app for those who open links on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and other apps and hate leaving the current app which they are on. Link Browser can help you by providing a floating link bubble every time you click on a link. These link bubbles are much like Facebook chat heads that can be minimized as a floating icon, and you can tap on them anytime and get a detailed browser. The link bubble can also load the pages in the background, and once done, you can just tap on them to read the web. Simple yet useful way, I would say. Parallel Space is up next in number 13, and if you would like to use two separate instances of apps like WhatsApp, Clash of Clans or Snapchat, this is your answer. Parallel Space app can clone any other app in a sandbox environment so that you can use two parallel instances of the same app which don't share data in between them. This means you can activate and use the official WhatsApp using two different numbers on the same Android device, and it can extend to other apps like Uber, Ola or even your favorite games. Twilight at number 14 acts as a blue light filter for your device which doesn't come with a built-in reader mode. The app makes your screen warm, which is fluorescent, which makes it easy for your eyes while reading in low light before going to bed. Just open up the app and turn on the filter for the settings to take effect. You can also configure specific time to turn on the blue light filter. Now, this is a must app if you have suffered from loss of sleep or eye strains after prolonged smartphone usage. The app is free to use and come with ads to support the developer. Last but not the least, we have Clipstack to conclude the list. The app makes Android Clipboard better by adding some memory to it. So let's say you want to copy more than one thing onto your Android Clipboard. Well, there is no direct way to get this done. However, with Clipstack, you can collect everything you have copied on the clipboard and bring it to the front while pasting them using a floating bubble. We have already covered the top 4 similar apps available on Play Store, but due to its free and open source nature, Clipstack remains my personal favorite. So those were the 15 apps that you can install on your Android and are pretty much useful in everyday scenario. Now, if you think there are certain apps that can be included in the list, please do let me know in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to the Guiding Tech channel, please do hit that subscribe button right now. This was Ashish from Guiding Tech, and I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.